This is the entrance elevator at IKEA in Stoughton. 2 gates for up. Interesting. Oh wow, this is wide. Oh, here are the buttons. Yeah, this is an MEI. 100 feet per minute, 10,000 pounds. Well, this thing's huge. But I guess it's a typical size for IKEA. Here's your directory with the buttons and the phone. Let's take it up to M and listen to the motor. Wow, that's an epic motor. Going down?
Yes.
No problem.
Thank you. Oh, with the sides, yeah. I don't know.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem. You enjoy your day. Oh yeah. GoPros only works when you select the floor. All right, let's wrap it up on the main floor. And there it goes, and that'll be it.